Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to make a quick video. This is actually a tutorial how to be most frugality. So basically, you're going to want to cut back, not necessarily compromising your freedom, because it's good. It's good to treat yourself, But as you can see, I'm wearing a polar bear skin coat. Now, what I've done is usually I have multiple of these. I will switch them out so I can coordinate with every day of the week. But I've been able to make some positive changes for the better lately, and now I am just have the one polar bear skin coat.